Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Audi RS7. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. First, lightly sketch a long, low rectangle for the main body. Then, establish the wheelbase, which is approximately 2/3 of the car's total length. Next, mark the general positions for the four wheels and the elegant roofline. Remember to keep your initial lines very light, as these are just guides for our detailed drawing. Now that we have our basic shape, let's define the RS7 iconic silhouette. Carefully outline the car's distinctive sloping roofline and its aggressive front fascia. Next, add the prominent, muscular wheel arches, which give the RS7 its powerful and athletic stance. Don't forget to sketch the dynamic side character lines that flow along the body, emphasizing its speed. Pay close attention to the car's low ground clearance, a hallmark of its sporty design. With the main body defined, it's time to add the specific details that make it an RS7. Begin by drawing the signature Audi single-frame grille, complete with its intricate honeycomb pattern. Then, carefully incorporate the sleek, modern LED headlights and taillights. Don't forget the large, functional air intakes and the sporty rear diffuser. Finally, add the distinctive 5-spoke wheels and low-profile tires, which are crucial for its aggressive look. To bring your drawing to life, let's focus on shading and final touches. Apply shading strategically to create depth and beautifully highlight the car's elegant curves. Use darker tones for the shadows underneath the vehicle and within its various recesses. Add subtle reflections to the windows and the glossy bodywork for a truly realistic finish. Finally, carefully erase any unnecessary construction lines to present a clean, polished, and professional drawing of the Audi RS7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.